So you're probably wondering, why does my concrete sink in the first place? Well, there are a couple of main culprits. First, when water sneaks under your slab, it can weaken the soil and create voids. That's when concrete starts to crack and settle. The second reason is the soil itself. If the soil under your slab wasn't properly compacted before construction, it won't be able to hold up the weight of the concrete over time. Now you might be asking, how do I fix my cracked and sinking concrete? You've got a couple of options. You could go for a complete concrete replacement, but that's pretty destructive and can cost you a pretty penny. Or you could lift the concrete. There are two main ways to do this: mudjacking and polyurethane foam. Now there's some key differences. Mudjacking used to be the go-to concrete lifting solution a decade ago, but now it's polyurethane foam. Here's why. Both solutions involve drilling a hole in the concrete, injecting material under the slab, and lifting it. But the materials and execution are quite different. The biggest difference is the material used. Mudjacking uses a heavy mixture of clay, sand, and water to lift the concrete. But here's the thing, if water or weak soil caused your concrete to sink in the first place, and you use a material that's not water resistant and weighs 100 pounds per cubic foot, there's a good chance you'll run into the same problem again. Polyfoam, on the other hand, is lightweight, just about 4 pounds per cubic foot, and water resistant. And don't worry, it can still handle a lot of weight. You could even park a truck on it. Another difference is the hole size. Mudjacking requires holes that are 2 inches or more, while polyfoam only needs a 3/8 of an inch hole. After the work is done, mudjacking takes about 1 to 2 days to cure. That means no driving or putting any serious weight on it during that time. Polyfoam, however, cures in just 15 minutes. Polyfoam tends to be a bit more cost effective than mudjacking, but even if they cost the same, polyfoam is more durable, so it's still the better deal in the long run. Pro tip: watch out for warranties with sneaky fine print that doesn't really benefit you as the homeowner. For more info and tips on keeping your home in tip-top shape, check out our website and schedule a free inspection.